If you don't have a foam roller, you can use a water bottle or a baseball to start rolling slowly and help your calves relax. When we stretch out our ankles, we usually just focus on plantar flexion, but our body needs balance. And working on dorsiflexion also creates a more stable and flexible ankle for swimming. Okay, now change to the other leg. Let's warm up by walking on tiptoes. Walk back and forth a few meters until I tell you to stop. Now bend the knees a little bit while still on your tiptoes and walk back and forth. Try to be stable. Make sure that every step you take is balanced and steady. Get up and walk on the external part of your feet. This will stretch the outside of your feet. Go back and forth twice. Now do the same, carefully, but with the internal part of your feet. This will stretch the inside of your ankles. Do this only once. Now stand on the middle and do tiptoe holds. Do it ideally for 2 or 3 seconds each hold until I tell you to stop. Now do a squat hold on your toes. This is also great for balance, but mainly to work on your ankle and toe mobility. Try to go lower if you can. Now stand back up and lift one knee up. Try to keep a tight core to help with your balance. While you hold it there, point your ankle down as far as you can and hold it for 10 seconds. Do that twice with each leg. Okay, now change to the other leg. Stand again and raise the knee back up, but this time hold the dorsiflexion with your ankle. Same thing, 10 seconds twice with each leg. Okay, now change to the other leg. Stand back up, and now we will raise one ankle behind your body with a plantar flexion. Hold it for 10 seconds twice with each leg. And change. Now, just move around a little bit from side to side while standing on the external part of your feet.
I'm getting higher just to feel ya, 'cause I need to.
And we will move on to 20 finger raises, alternating feet, so 10 with each foot. You will feel the burn close to your shins.
Miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing.
Now stand on one foot and do ankle circles. First with the right foot
think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
And change. Now you're doing circles with your left foot.
Walk in the fire. I'm getting higher just to feel ya, 'cause I need to. Feels like I'm burning a little bit more, just a little bit more now. Taking the potion just to feel ya, 'cause I need ya.
Rest a little bit while you watch this ad and skip it when you're ready to go again.
I can pretend.
Get on one knee and the other foot touches the ground with the instep. You can use a wall or a chair for stability. Just make sure you do it carefully and slowly. Don't put too much pressure on your ankle here. It's better to hold it for a longer period than to push it and have to rest. Breathe normally and tighten your core.
I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
Okay, now change to the other leg.
It's getting stronger. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. Overdosing. Overdosing.
To stretch the toes, sit on your ankles like this, but with your toes on the ground. Again, don't push down too hard. Just keep stretching your toes to where you feel comfortable and hold it a little bit more. Okay, now put your ankles on the ground and hold it there for 30 seconds. If this is too easy, you can lean back, put your hands on the floor, and lift your knees like this.
Yesterday, no, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no.
Okay, now go to a deep squat while trying to keep your back straight. Don't worry too much if your back isn't straight on this. We are focusing on your ankles right now. We just have 2 more stretches to go.
I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're...
Sit with your legs straight and bend one knee over and grab it while you stretch your ankle. What is great about this stretch is that you can move around your ankle on whatever position you think you need more flexibility. You can also stretch the fingers with your hands here. Hold it here for 45 seconds with each foot. I'll tell you when to change ankles.
Be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way.
Okay, now change ankles.
I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. now you know it. I just wanna be with you.
For the last stretch, you will need a weight or something a little heavy. You can also do it without if you don't have anything near. While in a lunge position, put the weight on top of your knee and lean the hips forward. Keep your ankle on the floor. Lean forward a little more and hold it. We will hold it here for 30 seconds with each leg.
We only see what we want to now. I long that it could last. I've seen the wasteland of these empty words. This life is
Change legs now.
would not occur. Would not occur.
Now rest a little bit while you watch this ad and skip it when you're ready to go again. Now that you have come this far, you have two options. You can click here to visit our webpage, or you can click here to do a shoulder and core routine. See you there, swim fast!